napaka-busy ng mga tao talaga dito. Well, at yan yun naman, at 7, anong oras na, oh. Makita ko. Oo. Pero at 7:45, well, we're still at the office. I'm with Sir Mel, working on the airway shipment, while Sir Abed is so busy preparing his coffee right there in the kitchen. There. No. Mag-8 na nga, sir, ng 5:30. Well, look at that. Is it enjoying a cup of a cold what? Cold water? While still, Mel is busy working on the papers.
Gusto mo lagyan tayong website, di ba?
PC.
Yung New Year's, yung dumandang ka puno sa building. For sale, house at CAA compound.
Ano ba yung presyo? Exam ba yan?
Hindi mo natin ito.
Okay.
Uy? So, pag bukas, tinanong din ng MD. Sir, tinitingnan mo, pero naayos na namin yung BL. Diba? We have the clear copy.
Sooner or later, it will arrive and we will file corresponding entries and...
Wala, baka buting pa tayo dito ng ano. Wala nang halos yung araw.
Halos yung araw. We are the people in our neighborhood.
Sa face ng Somlumet, diba? Mana.
Mana.
Ay, sorry, sir. Ay, what's that? The kitchen. Jojo, nandito ka pa? Hindi ka pa umalis?
I'm not Jojo. I'm your private cameraman.
Jojo, it's already 6 o'clock in your villa.
It's 7:45, sir.
Do you have any plans to go somewhere?
Yeah, I'm planning to
Go home?
go home early. Again.
Ano pa ng sa Malate? May isang part doon eh. Ang pangalan the other office.
The other office.
So,
I'm planning. I will be.
Ni Jojo, I went to the other office. So,
well, this is the door.
door for life.
There.
Okay. Yung ating banding clock, 6:35. Okay.
6:35. Oh, it's 8.
Yes, I have a lunch date. Lunch date.
Dinner date.
Sino yung si Sharon? Yung kanina. Yung pitong tao dito sa Mark.
Chubby like me. Huwag mo naman ako i-broadcast, pre. Para kayo mga multo. Sino Eva?
Sumikat na yata kanya na insurance business. Buti na lang wala doon si Joto.
Kala ko nga BBM eh.
Si Edwin ang ano, no? Uy, luckily.
Itong aming transport meeting for the transport meeting. Kung actually may previous ko naman.
Oo, nga.
Yung daming chemicals and communication. So, parang up and coming nila.
Sabi ko nga sa ano eh, no? Sa decision na...
Ay! This is a cat and dog? Luckily for you guys.
Una na ako ay crash tail lang yun.
Me too.
Oo nga pala. Joe, hindi ka na lumaga.
Yeah.
Mamaya.
Baka ibang other malamang. Hindi, uwi na ako, sir. Papatila lang ako ng konti.
Napatila lang. Baka anong tila yan, ha?
Lagi mo sinasabi na uwi.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.